Inside the luxury sedan shop, here's how Audi A6s are fully restored from the ground up.
Severe impact on the passenger side front. Look at the crumple zone here.
Noted. I'll get the measurements now.
Steering column is compromised, airbags deployed on impact. Significant glass fragmentation across the Valcona leather.
The structural scan highlights the compromised areas here and here.
Okay, let's start with the front clip removal sequence.
By utilizing advanced aluminum alloys, the A6 hood achieves a 40% weight reduction over.
This is the core of the Audi Ace, or ASF, showcasing the riveted joints.
This is where the matrix LED connects. Once we force the harness out, the dozen individually controlled elements are effectively destroyed.
As the hydraulic press applies controlled force, the aluminum frame slowly yields. This precise process is
Unlike steel, aluminum repairs often require component replacement rather than straightening. We are now marking the preparation points.
The jigs have secured the forward section.
Verification successful, ready for joining. Check the reading on the rear edge. 3.0, exactly as specified.
This next-generation process ensures every millimeter of the repaired aluminum is prepared for a perfect, factory-quality paint application.
Applying the premium filler in thin, even coats is crucial for achieving that perfect factory finish on the aluminum bodywork. This is the final cleaning detail. The surface must be absolutely flawless before the paint application begins.
Steepiness. The next-gen process begins with the rapid application of the first gray coat. Following the flash time, the second...
This is the surface refinement detail. Wet sanding with 600 grit and water creates this glass smooth finish.
We apply 3 distinct coats, allowing flash time between each to ensure maximum depth and the perfect showroom finish. By wiping away the excess compound, we reveal the stunning transformation. A perfect, glass-like mirror finish.
The integrated transmission cooler must align perfectly. Ensure the OEM mounting brackets lock securely into the chassis before proceeding.
How's the alignment looking on your side?
Looks good. Right into the mounting points.
Using a calibrated torque wrench, each fastener is tightened precisely to the manufacturer's Newton meter specifications, ensuring structural integrity.
We're carefully installing the new airbag control module. As you can see by the VW Group part numbers, this is a highly...
The disassembly process is complex, requiring careful removal of the steering column, climate controls, and the instrument cluster before the main dashboard can be accessed.
We start by removing all debris, then apply the specialized German cleaning foam. This meticulous process ensures
Through the next-gen process, this Audi A6 achieves restoration perfection with completely invisible repairs and a mirror finish.
This wasn't just a repair, it was a rebirth. Skilled craftsmanship brought this Audi A6 back to its original glory.
This is more than metal. It is the enduring symbol of German engineering, flawlessly restored